Should I join a team or shouldn't I? All right, so I get this question asked me a ton. Should I join a team or shouldn't I? If I'm a new agent, should I join a team? If I'm an old agent, should I join a team? So now I might be biased because I'm a local team leader here, but I'm also a mentor to folks that aren't on our team. So I am biased, but I definitely say yes, you should join a team. Absolutely. The team that's set up, now, should it be any team? Of course not, but teams are set up for large production. They've got systems in place, they've got mentors, they've got resources. So especially a new agent or an agent that doesn't want to spend money, the splits are very similar to any brokerage if you're on a team. So ask, get information, talk, see what it's about. You're not going to lose money. Well, I would rather make 100% of $100 than make 50% of $100. Well, that's certainly true, but a team is there to help you succeed. You tell them you want to make $100,000, they'll show you how to do it. And if they can't show you how to do it, go find another team. Now, a lot of brokerages are set up like teams. So it's not to say don't join a brokerage, but only join a team. Of course, I'm biased. Definitely, I think you should join a team for the reasons I just mentioned. Now, some brokerages, like I said, are set up like one big team. If you're getting broker support, mentoring, accountability, challenges, if you're getting goal setting, if you're being shown how to reach your goals, you're also getting leads. And not just open a phone book, but lead volume, semi-quality leads. What might they be? Maybe they're homeowners, maybe they're internet leads, whatever it might be, but someone that has indicated that they're interested in real estate, or maybe they own real estate. Do you have systems in place, support staff, systematic, maybe tools and CRM and websites like that, resources that are given to you and provided to you? If those are things you're getting, that's a team you want to be on. So you can always leave the team. Check out, of course, their contracts. If you'd like to see our contracts, hit me up. I'd be glad to show it. But should I join a team? The question is always yes, or the question is always that. The answer is always yes. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that bell notification. We put out a lot of epic content here. If you're interested in having a talk or just kind of getting some better information or more information or longer information, give me a call at any point. Shoot me a text, send me an email. Gregory Martire. Appreciate you taking the time to check us out. Have a great day.